This video might have a shitty audio quality. I'm not sure about video quality. Camera is good. I'm not very good at setting it up. Lighting and everything wise. But I'm still gonna make this video and I'm not gonna edit it, and I'm gonna post it and you're gonna see it. Today is December 4th and I feel like I've been meaning to do this video and share my situation with the world if I was gonna see it. Just because I feel like not a lot of people share this side of their journey. Basically, hi, my name is Nastya. I am 33 years old. I don't have a job. I don't have a career. I am going through a divorce. I have been a housewife for over 8 years and I've been married for that amount of time, and it didn't work. Also, I have managed to get myself into a new relationship, and I have been broken up with over the phone recently. And we've been dating for almost a year. Not quite, but we're getting there. And he just introduced me to his family, and 10 days later he broke up with me over the phone. So yeah, and also I have crippling lack of self-esteem and sense of self-worth. I have depression. I'm a very anxious person. I have social anxiety, and I am very introverted and shy, and I know it's a thing that you tell yourself and you can get over it, but it does make connecting with people harder. And yeah, I'm not by any means saying that I am in the worst position ever. I'm not. I am very privileged and lucky in every possible way. Every struggle that I have experienced and am experiencing right now is a point of growth, but still feels like shit, especially right now. Being dumped and not knowing what to do. Yeah, basically my idea of creating an income was to take a course in UX UI, which is extremely popular right now. But I didn't realize at the time that it is extremely saturated market. There are thousands and thousands of UX UI designers right now in the area where I live. Lucky me. Yeah. It has its advantages and disadvantages, as you can imagine. After so many layoffs here, market is not only saturated with people just starting UX UI jobs, but also with people who have experience and are also on the market. So it is overwhelming thinking that that's going to be the income. And basically the reason why I'm filming this video is to first hold myself accountable for the changes that I need to make in order to build a life and an income in a way in shape and form that I would like to. And also, I feel that it is incredibly important to share your struggles and your lowest, English is not my first language, so you might hear a lot of mistakes and mispronunciations and stuff like that, but deal with it. Yeah. Because a lot of people are overwhelmed right now with all of the success stories. Every fucking 16-year-old kid already has their podcast and TikTok that they're making millions from and things like that. And some 14-year-olds already starting their businesses and they're succeeding at it, and that's what everybody's talking about. And it makes incredibly demotivating and discouraging for people who come to a point in their life that they're feeling lost and they don't have direction. But it is a normal process to not have a direction and to have, or to be at the point in your life where everything is falling apart and you have no fucking idea what to do with it. But it is your responsibility to gather yourself, to gather all of your resources, to gather all of the support that you can from your friends, from anybody you can reach out to, and help yourself rebuild yourself and your life. And hopefully, for some of you who are also struggling, me sharing this and maybe some of my journey will help you to not feel alone and to know that it's normal, to know that it is normal. Did I mention that I'm 33 years old? Feels incredibly shitty not having a job because of all of the culture around work and overachieving and workaholism. For a very long time, I didn't feel like a human being. Going into the divorce and starting this educational program in UX UI, which does not really align with, at least how I feel right now, it doesn't align with my personality and it doesn't align with things that I enjoy making. I didn't feel like a human being because I was not making money and I didn't know how I can fix that, and I didn't want to spend my life and spend valuable time that I can spend educating myself and potentially starting some creative projects that can be potentially beneficial. Or creativity is also a very important part of my life. I'm an artist, but I don't make money off my art, and it also breaks my heart. I've been trying to put my art out there, but have not succeeded. Also feels very demotivating. I feel defeated in that kind of sense, and but I do have support of wonderful people around me, including my ex-husband, who is supporting me financially in this at this point of my life, and I feel incredibly lucky and privileged. However, some might say that, what do you need to worry about? Like, you have financial support. I cannot explain how much sleepless nights I had imagining just not finding an income or any kind of job that I would somewhat enjoy doing, because knowing myself and knowing that I am prone to depression, it scares the shit out of me that I would be stuck in a job that I hate, and I would just fall into the pit of a depression and anxiety and unfulfillment and regret for not doing something that I meant to. And just after, like, the support that my ex-husband is providing me with is not a lifetime guarantee. It has a time limit, and it's like it is a lot of pressure. A lot of that pressure I put on myself, and it's also a problem combined with lack of sense of self-worth and incredibly low self-esteem. Yes, I am privileged. I am financially supported, but I have scripts running in me that are preventing me from living my best life and succeeding in it. And it is within my power to change them, but those things are not something that change overnight. And it is a very labor intensive and it takes a lot of energy to work through your own trauma and to change your behaviors that are so ingrained in you that a lot of the time you are not even aware that they are running. So, I don't know, just being vulnerable, sharing, rambling, I don't know whether it all makes sense and whether it is useful or not. I am mostly doing it for myself, but still hoping that it maybe will be helpful for someone else. And I'm not just complaining here. I am here to promise that I will succeed, and I will do my best to get myself out of this situation and to rebuild my self-esteem. I promise to love myself and to hold myself accountable in a way, or in the process of building my dream life. And I'm gonna share the journey. Hopefully I will try to make a weekly recap, I don't know, weekly whatever, I'll come up with a name. I will probably not be editing any of the videos, so take it or leave it. So yeah, This is day 1. I'm looking forward to what comes next.